Alright, we'll get started on that transom today. Take this piece off, get these old bolts out. And then we just gotta cut out a piece that used to fit in there. That's it. I'm not gonna make this, we can make this really stronger, but there's no need on this little boat. It's not gonna have much weight on the transom. And we got leftover piece of plywood that we're gonna use. And I know it's been forever, but we will go back out. Promise you two. You're gonna be a problem. Alright, well, I'm half retarded, but I'm pretty sure this is what I need to cut out. Got little lines marked there. Alright, there it is. Came out pretty good. Except I got a chip here, which pisses me off, but oh well. Looks symmetrical. Now we'll epoxy resin this and the other piece. Sand it first. And we'll bolt this thing on. What's up, dog? Alright, so I got the pieces sanded. Got the original 1977 piece. Still good. I got the new piece here for the back part. Sanded it, like rounded the edges. I don't know if you can tell. Just like to take the edge off a little bit. This isn't marine grade plywood. There's not really anywhere to buy it around here where I'm at, so I just got the best pieces I can find at my Lowe's, highest quality. There's no voids. That's what you want to look for. Have a nice finish on the fronts. But yeah, we'll get these coated in resin next. Alright, got a little bit of our resin mixed up. We're just gonna pour some on and start rolling it out. Rollers, brushes, all that stuff. Man, me and this little roller been through a lot together. Alright, so it's the next day. We got 4 coats of the resin on these. Usually I'll hit them with like a porch paint or a deck paint. I'm going to try something different this time. I'm going to use some truck bed liner on this. We'll see how this works out. Alright, let's get this transom all done up. Sitting in here way too long. Paint's all cured. My truck bed liner. Pre-marked the holes that need to be drilled. Good. And this little guy here, well, it special ed math got to me again. But it'll all work out. Alright, let's get this thing bolted on. Using all stainless steel, 1/4 hardware. Alright, it's all done. Stainless steel screws, sealer around all the bolts, around the whole edge of the piece of wood. I'm really liking this truck bed liner. I might start using it more for these transoms. Pretty simple transom on this little boat. Here's the inside. I'm gonna put longer bolts on the top, but other than that, it came out good. Not much to this one. Have to find a little motor for this now. Take it out on the lake.